Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite boy, Papi, aka Isaac, aka Papi Beauty, aka whatever you want to call me, just as long as you call me. Just as long as you call me. This video is so exciting because one, it's Valentine's Day. Two, I got something that I've been holding out on y'all since I got it for Christmas. I got this for Christmas. Shout out to my mother-in-law. She got me. Y'all want to know what she got me? What do you think is in this box? What do you think? Comment down below right now. You got 5 seconds. Okay, time's up. Guys, she got me the Beyoncé perfume. She got me the Beyoncé perfume, guys. She got me the Beyoncé perfume. I don't think you hear me. She got me Noir. Noir. Now, granted, I am more of a muskier type of guy. Especially, like, for me, I don't like really fruity scents. I like to smell like a man. Like a man. You know what I'm saying? Like woodsy, you know, like a man. Okay? But this might change my mind. So I'm gonna unbox it with you guys. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe right now. Else I'm not unboxing this for you. Like I said, I've been holding out on this since Christmas, and it's been killing me. So we're gonna open it today because it's Valentine's Day and I'm trying to smell like Beyonce, okay? Period. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get started with the video. We got it, girl, we got it. I'm gonna show you. I can't show you the front because it has my address on it. But I'm gonna unbox it for you guys right now. It's been a long time coming. Say no. I'm not throwing this box away ever. Ever. Everything that I got from going to the Renaissance World Tour and the movie, everything, I'm keeping it the rest of my life as memorabilia to mark this moment in history. Shout out to Beyonce. She released a new album too, y'all know that? She released a new album. What the hell's going on, Verizon? Tell me. I can't take it. Oh my God.
Network is crazy powerful. I bet you can't break that.
What's happening?
I bet I can.
Wait, what?
Beyoncé breaks the internet, but can she break Verizon?
Broken?
Not even close.
Time for a surprise drop.
What? Oh God, stop playing with me, Beyonce.
You broke me.
Stop.
Introducing Beyonce. What? Seriously? How about Plan B?
Oh my God.
I'm running for Beyonce of the United States.
Yes.
No birthday.
How about the first woman to launch the first rocket for the first performance?
Period.
Verizon didn't break.
You ain't gonna break me.
Still works.
Okay, they ready. Drop the new music.
New music. New music.
You better remember that.
New music.
In order to remember something.
What does she mean, new music? New music. New music?
Remember Uber Eats has coffee. About to get something else.
Hold up. New music. Go on Apple right now. Go on iTunes right now. Go. I can't. I'm about to have a heart attack. I'm about to have a heart attack. Act 2. It's country. I don't know how I feel about it yet. Because I'm more, like, I'm from New York. I'm Puerto Rican. So country music really isn't, like, something I listen to. But I might have to change my mind. Because this ain't Texas. I'm sorry, Beyonce. I was not making fun of you. That was not funny. I'm sorry. But, oh my God, girls. Girl, say noir. Say noir. I think that means say no more. I don't know. But say Beyonce. Say no. Beyonce, you think you slick. You really think you slick. And oh my God, guys. Okay, so inside the package comes with a QR code that you can scan on the back, I guess, to order more perfume. And this is a sample. My bad. This is a sample, guys. So I would suggest keeping this in your purse, you know what I'm saying? I would honestly use this first before using this because, girl, I'm not wasting this. This will last, this is gonna be around when I have grandchildren, okay? So, say no why. All right, so we're gonna put the box down. And like I said, it comes with a sample, like that. And it's a nice size sample. It's like probably a fluid ounce. So that'll last you like a good month and a half if you're using it correctly. But oh my God, say no more. It's actually a perfect day for me to unbox this because like I said, it's Valentine's Day. And I wanna smell like a bad bitch. So my man wanna eat me up. I want him to be like, damn, I gotta eat every part of it tonight. Let me stop, keep it PG. So of course it comes very well protected. I will say I appreciate the packaging, okay? Here is it. Here is it, say no more. Say no more. I'm so excited. Oh, it feels so luxe. Obviously the silver from the Renaissance. That's what I'm gonna say. Oh my God. Oh my God. The little circle that she wore. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Okay, guys, I'll get into the detail. The box is like a canvas. I don't know. I don't want to like do too much to it and like mess it up, but here we go. Hopefully it's not broken. Oh my God. Look at her. Look at her. Girl, she look real cute. Beyonce, you did that. Beyonce. And the packaging, girl. What is this? What is this? Is this a sticker? Okay, so I'm literally doing an unboxing for you guys, okay? So what does this say? Is it a note? Oh my God. It's a personalized note from Beyonce. I'm just kidding, it's not personal, but this is what everybody receives. So what it says inside, it says, celebrate your renaissance with a scent of Saint Noir. I'm just kidding. Celebrate your renaissance with a scent of Saint Noir. Layers of golden honey are lit with energy of jasmine sandbag. I don't know what that is, but it sounds good. White patchouli, I don't know, pulses through the resinous base layers of amber and myrrh. I think that's how you say it. It is the spirit of the night beating with sensual excitement. Beyonce, you know what you did. That's why I'm wearing it tonight. Encased in art, Saint Noir reflects the person you want to see, the person you want to be. You're one of one. I know I'm one of one. I'm the only one. Saint Noir, let your body talk and be free with the sense of self-expression. Beyonce, I'm gonna save this note for the rest of my life and tell my kids that you wrote me a letter. Even though you wrote everybody this, but I'm gonna just tell my kids and my grandchildren to keep this forever. Okay, let me put this down because let's get into the perfume. I don't think there's anything else in the box. I would say there's a lot of packaging for this, but it's secure. Like, I think they do that for shipping purposes because the box itself that it was shipped in was very small and compact. So I was really worried that it would be broken, but no, she is intact. So here we have Miss Saint Noir, OMG. 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 So this is how it comes. It comes in this bougie. Beyonce, you just know, you get it. You get us. Beyonce, I know you're a Virgo, but are you a Libra? I think she's a Libra rising. I'm a Libra. I'm a triple Libra. I was born September 23rd. She just gets it. We like shiny things. Beyonce, thank you. Thank you for this, because you know what? The girls that get it, and the girls that don't. Oh, I see myself. Oh, I love it. Like she said, you can see the person you want to be. I like the little circle. It kills me. I was watching her promo for this, and she said that this is like revealing the soul of the perfume. So All right, let's get into it. It's actually nice packaging. I feel like it's like a nice hard plastic. This itself feels like it might be glass. I'm pretty sure it's glass, especially because it came from Paris, I believe. And you know, luxury fragrances don't come in like plastic packaging, they come in glass, and they're typically not see-through. This is like genius, because normally a luxury fragrance is not see-through. It will just have like the actual product. So I have something here. I have my Paco Rabanne, the 1 million Parfum. There's also the Elixir. There's like several different versions of this, but I love it. But as you can see, this is a luxury fragrance, and you can't really see the fragrance until you turn it to the back, okay? Which I really appreciate, because it preserves the fragrance, okay? I don't know the science behind it, I just know it does it. I'll take it out. Oh my God. Okay. Let me just, oh, it doesn't smell. Okay, let's just see, let's see. Let's say Noir. Oh. Oh my God. Beyonce, if this is what you smell like, I'm not gay no more. I'm not. I take it back. This smells rich. This smells like, oh my God, I can't even, and it's weird because it's feminine smelling. Like, this smells like your rich auntie. That auntie that has all the money, she'd be buying you the best presents. This is what she smells like. This is what Beyonce is the rich auntie. Oh my God. Beyonce. This smells so good. I don't know, like, I know that it has notes of honey and amber and jasmine, but it smells rich. It smells very like regal. Like, you know, you walk into the room and everybody's like, what's that smell? Who smells that good? Say Noir, Beyonce, that's who. That's who. And the fact that she wore this during her concert, Beyonce, I got you all over my body. Let me stop. But oh my God. I can't like pinpoint what this smells like, because I normally don't wear feminine fragrance, if that makes sense. Nothing really sweet, it's mostly woodsy, especially like I said, this Paco Rabanne one is very masculine smelling. It's spicy, but it has like that citrus scent also. It's really good, it smells so good. Hear me out. This and this together, layered, baby, it's gonna be on. I just have to see. I just have to. What does that smell like? Oh. See, mixing it together just gives me, it just elevates the fragrance, honestly. And normally I will, oh my God, but this alone, I would wear this alone. I really would. I didn't think I was gonna like it that much, especially because, like I said, I like mostly like masculine woodsy scents. But this is like a perfect balance. And if you mix it with one of your masculine scents, girl, it's a 1, 2, 3 punch. Oh my God, I smell rich, and I'm not rich. Don't get it twisted. I didn't buy this. This was a gift. So thank you. Oh my God, it smells so good. Thank you so much to my mother-in-law who got me this. It's just so cute. Like, on my bureau, it's just gonna be sitting there like, it's just so beautiful. I love it. Beyonce, you did that. You did that. I'm waiting for Act 2. I'm excited. I'm excited because she just released, girl, she's on your next, like, she's gonna give you cowgirl realness, and I'm here for it. I'm a little not into country, but I'm here for Beyonce. Anything Beyonce does, I'm gonna subscribe to it. Don't play with me. Oh my God, that smells so good. I guess that concludes this video. I'm going out tonight. It's Valentine's Day, and I will be wearing this. I might pair this up with the Paco Rabanne just to give it a nice balance. But this smells sexy as hell. So I'm definitely wearing this tonight, okay? Oh, I love it. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, thank you. Thank you for watching. And besitos para todos. Mwah. And remember to stay slayed and get paid. Because what? That's what life's about. Say no more. Say no more.